Hi, I'm Brendon with Discover Battery, and in this video, we're going to explore connecting the LYNK 2 or LYNK Lite to your computer and using the LYNK ACCESS software to interface with the network. Now you'll notice that both links have different ports for CAN out. LYNK Lite is commonly used in industrial applications where companies have the ability to make their own harnesses. LYNK 2, on the other hand, has a standard RJ45, which is very common with a lot of power electronics, including inverters, as well as Phoenix connectors where you can plug into CAN high, CAN low, and ground. So LYNK 2 offers a more common user interface. What does that mean? It means for LYNK Lite, there's only one interface possible. So that's the IEC 5-pin. You must use this. In a previous video, we did explore networking batteries and LYNK accessories. So if you haven't seen that, we recommend you go back and view. To get started, you're going to go online to the discoverbattery.com website, pull down the product list, and select LYNK ACCESS. Now when you're here, right at the top of the page, there's going to be a banner, and it's going to show you where you can download the software. Go ahead, download that application. I always recommend you store it to the desktop. This makes it easy to find. Now when that download is complete, open up that file, run the installer. Accept the agreement, and proceed. And now we have the LYNK application. We have no devices connected, so the software is showing us that there are no connected devices. Keep in mind this is a Windows-only application, and we recommend 64-bit. Now, next step, plug your USB into the computer and connect to your LYNK 2 or LYNK Lite device. Now on LYNK 2, you'll notice that the SOC LEDs are toggling. This is just indicating to us that there is power to the device, but there are no batteries detected. Both LYNK 2 and LYNK Lite can be powered from USB or LYNK port. The LYNK 2 can also be powered from an external power supply using the Phoenix connector as well. If you look at the software, you can actually see that as well. So there's battery system is there. There's 0 detected batteries. All we really have is the LYNK. So at this point, you can go ahead and turn on your batteries. Notice that the LEDs on the LYNK 2 are illuminated. So we have 100% state of charge. And on the software, we can actually see all 3 batteries are now appearing. So once you have the software installed, your battery network connected, there's a bit of a dashboard. You can view individual battery data, set up and configure your LYNK. And of course, there are some support tiles as well. So if you're looking for documentation, frequently asked questions, there's some quick links to the website. Installing LYNK ACCESS is fairly easy. So once you've downloaded the installer, installed the application, all it takes is plugging in your LYNK with a USB. Now keep in mind, LYNK ACCESS is only compatible with LYNK 2 and LYNK Lite devices. It's not compatible with older LYNK Solar devices. I recommend you tune into the next video where we explore LYNK ACCESS in more detail.